चप्पल दिखाई थी तुमने, ऐसे कहाँ से बात कर रहा हूँ, प्यार से बात कर।
तेरा चेहरा नागालैंड से है, तू तेरा चेहरा नागा जैसे है, तू नागालैंड से है।
नागा कैसे है? तो मैं नागा में बात कर रहा था, तो तू नंगा होके आ गया नागा।
लात मार के मैंने इसको नीचे लटका दिया क्योंकि वही तुम्हारी औकात है।
Welcome to The Voice Guy. This is your host Harshit Dhingon and you're watching The Voice of Youth. As you all remember, Deepak Kalal, the so-called celebrity or comedian, or you can say the controversial personality, Deepak Kalal के बारे में हर कोई जानता है, जो राखी सावंत का एक स्पूफ भी खेल चुका है कि उसका हस्बैंड होने का। तो वही व्यक्ति, and you also know that he was trying to demean and look down upon the people of Northeast, and जिसको भी वो लगता था कि अजीबो गरीब है और who look weird, he was saying, hey, you look like Naga. So this was the way he was talking. And you also remember, guys, I also made one video to ask him, why are you saying like this? And then he tried to frighten me. You can watch this.
नंगा के बहाने तुझे नंगा करूं, निकल ले।
नहीं, मैं आपको नंगा कर दूंगा पूरा। अभी आप पूरे लोग बैठे हुए नंगा करने के लिए, आपको आप करके दिखाओ।
नंगा के बहाने तुझे नंगा करूं, निकल ले।
नहीं, मैं आपको नंगा कर दूंगा पूरा। अभी आप पूरे लोग बैठे हुए नंगा करने के लिए, आपको
As now you remember that moment, and you also know that उसके बाद मैंने एक और वीडियो बनाया था about that Deepak Kalal challenging the Nagas in Delhi. So somehow after that video, Deepak Kalal seen the video and he followed me on Instagram, and then he messaged me. You can see on the screen, and he said he has so much of love for the Northeast. It was just a joke. So now he was giving a clarification that it was just a joke and he didn't mean it in reality. So he wanted to just say that it was just a joke. So and he said, come live, I want to speak with you. So I came live with him, and then now you can see what he said.
How are you?
Hello Harshit, how are you?
I'm good.
Harshit, you're from which place?
I am from New Delhi. Can you tell me?
Okay. Because see, I just saw one of the videos on YouTube where I came to know that you say that I'm defaming Nagas. See, frankly speaking, there is nothing as such. Unknowingly, just to make fun, I would have passed some comments. See, I don't have any problem with any of the breeds, because each one has got different skin, each one has got different colors, and I appreciate all the breeds, whether it would be Dravid, whether it would be Aryan, whether it would be Mongolian, any kinds of breeds. So because everything is made by God. Yes. I'm not here to oppose nature. See, when you talk about someone's gestures, someone's looks and all that, so it doesn't mean that I'm defaming, people out there. Maybe if I would have said something, so the intention would be behind just to crack jokes. I don't want to hurt anybody. When you, in the video of you say that I'm defaming Nagas. In fact, if you see my recent videos, so I came up with the videos before a month where I'm promoting the tourism of Seven Sisters. In that video, I'm telling that in Itanagar and Guhar Lagoon, the Jugganu taxi services have started, and people should be benefited. So they should start going to Arunachal, Today, when you are raising the questions, you should always see that I have always promoted, in my video, in the entire video, there was no fun element at all. It's very sincere video where I'm seriously promoting the taxi services in Nagaland. Not in Nagaland, sorry, in Arunachal Pradesh. So why you are saying such kind of things? In fact, I have always said good things about Seven Sisters. In so many of my interviews, I have said that I want to visit Seven Sisters, I want to go to all the places. I want to go to, Agartala, and I want to see the palace out there. I want to go to Aizawl, and I want to see, that how the last state which is acquired by India would be, having all the facilities and infrastructure cultures around. I want to go to Meghalaya, where I want to see Shillong and all the places like Cherrapunji and all that. I want to go to Dispur near Guwahati, where I could see all the rivers and all everything. In fact, I like the food and all everything. Very bizarre food in Nagaland. Well, definitely I don't want to eat the rat curry and dogs out there, but then definitely I would like to see all those bizarre foods out there. So I always do have dream to go to Seven Sisters, and I was about to keep the meetup out there, but when your video lashed, someone just said me, and I saw that video and I was badly disappointed, because in all my interviews I have spoken so much about Nagaland.
Yeah, people were very feeling bad because you were talking Naga.
चप्पल दिखाई थी तुमने, ऐसे कहाँ से बात कर रहा हूँ, प्यार से बात कर।
तेरा चेहरा नागालैंड से है, तू तेरा चेहरा नागा जैसे है, तू नागालैंड से है क्या?
नागा कैसे है? तो मैं नागा में बात कर रहा था तो तू नंगा होके आ गया नागा।
लात मार के मैंने इसको नीचे लटका दिया क्योंकि वही तुम्हारी
Getting they are feeling not good about it. And
no, see, if I say someone that you look like Naga, it doesn't mean that I want to defame them. In fact, I would like to learn Assami language. I came up with the video in Nishi language. In my recent videos and all that. So it's all fun. See, I don't want to defame any of the states.
I agree, but through that video, the way you were talking, so people got wrong message that you were angrily you are saying, or in a fun way you are saying to somebody like that. Not one person, two people. You're saying you look like Naga, so that's why people took wrong message. No problem, but you corrected the confusion, so it's good.
Yeah, definitely. See, because even if I say someone that you look like Naga, so Naga is not an abusive word. It's not a derogative kind of a word. See, so if I would add on any bad adjective with Naga, say for example, if I say someone that you look like European, right? So that would be like say that I would be using, will you say that I'm using any derogative language? Say for example, if I say someone that you look like Naga, so what does it mean? When I'm defaming someone, could you please tell me? Say if I add on any derogative adjective, before Naga, then you could say that okay, I'm defaming a particular community.
You said in an arrogant way. That was that gave a wrong message.
If you could see the entire video, my tone was as such, because for that particular fun video, I grabbed that kind of toning.
Okay.
Now you are defaming me, that I am talking to you so sincerely.
Yeah, we definitely let the people know that also that Deepak Kalal intentions were not wrong. It's just that he was being in a fun-loving way. He was trying to make fun.
Definitely. Why should I defame any particular community? Because tomorrow, if I go somewhere else, because the issues are burning. The Nagas issues are burning. That Paras has been arrested. So, tomorrow, if I go somewhere and maybe an arrogant person attacks me, he being Naga, maybe he would have, taken, because see, whatever I said, it wasn't something, I don't think so that whatever if I would have said was in a very funny way.
Guys, you heard Deepak Kalal is showing so much of love for the people of Northeast, and not only this, my friend, he also said he will be visiting Nagaland and he is inviting people to meet him in Kohima.
I need to go to Dimapur, I need to go to Kohima, I'm planning to go to Manipur also, because that Olympic winner from Manipur, Mary Kom, she made a big name and fame. I want to erase all those negativity what people have saturated in their mindsets.
No problem, we are going to make things positive, and we also respect issues. If you are talking in a very good manner, so we also respect you. Fine, so I think we'll speak tomorrow later on now. Good night.
So guys, you have seen Deepak Kalal love for the Nagas and Northeast, and now he also said something about controversy which is going already with Munu Deori and from Arunachal Pradesh, one guy, and they both are fighting on social media. So I spoke to him about this issue also, and I'm going to show that in my next video. Hope this video you liked it, and you must remember guys, as I always said, love always wins. Many times people in mainland, they do not understand, or they demean and look down upon the people of Northeast, or they say bad to Nagas. So when we stand up, when we fight for them, when we really raise the voice against the discrimination, then the people tone and voice change. Hence I request everybody to follow goodness, always respect everybody, treat everybody equally, and if somebody make also mistakes, we should always try to forget and forgive, because Deepak Kalal is also now being being very humble and down. So now you tell me what happened to Deepak Kalal. So this is now on you. Do comment in this video that how this Deepak Kalal from anger to love, how it changed. But I can say, as we say, love always wins. So this is an example of that. So hope you like this video, and if you want to join our initiative, we are on a mission to make the world a better place. And if you want to make this initiative much bigger and more stronger, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon and watch the next video in which we are going to show you what he said about the people of Arunachal Pradesh. So I'll see you in the next video. Till the time, see you and take care.
तेरा चेहरा नागा जैसे है, तू नागालैंड से है क्या?
नागा कैसे है? तो मैं नागा में बात कर रहा था तो तू नंगा होके आ गया नागा.
You have to make people calm down, because you know that Deepak is fun-loving guy. He knows so much about Seven Sisters and all everything. And